It doesn't normally happen like that, I have to tell you. 5 holes, 5 fish. Someone's smiling on me today. I'd have been happy with 1, but that's a real result.
That'll keep the crew happy for a couple of days. I've learned skills like this from the people who have the deepest knowledge of this environment. The local inhabitants. The Sami. Herr Niels Lava comes from a long line of Sami who have made their living from the reindeer. They say this is the toughest job in Sweden, and it's not hard to see why. Herr Niels spends much of the year working alone as he follows his huge herd of reindeer in their search for food across the frozen wilderness of America.
It's my life, the reindeer. It's give me food and it's give me money, everything.
Do you enjoy your life?
Yes, it's a hard life. It's a very nice life. You are free and can do what you want to do.
Of course, the one question I mustn't ask you is how many reindeer you have.
Then I must ask you how much money you have in the bank.
The Sami are the oldest inhabitants of the Arctic. For thousands of years, they led a nomadic life, with the whole family working together to look after their herd. Their home was a portable tent called the lagu, and they developed a rich and distinctive culture. By necessity, they developed a deep knowledge of bushcraft, such as using dry sedge instead of socks, which is warmer and easier to dry. Even today, Herr Niels relies heavily on his bushcraft heritage. Reindeer boots are still warmer and more flexible than modern boots. To repair things, he carries with him a traditional sewing kit. And you'll never see him without his lasso, which he uses to catch reindeer, and which he can also use to haul himself out of water should he fall through the ice. And of course, that most important tool, a knife. Traditionally, the Sami would make use of every part of the reindeer. The sinews were used as a strong thread. The skins were used to make clothing and traditional handicrafts, which they would trade and are still an important means of income. Herr Niels' wife, Britt Marie, is an expert in skin tanning and still uses the traditional methods.
Brush up on your driving skills. With a fortnight of back-to-back motoring magic, daytime driving starts Monday from 4. Dave. Start your day right with Bicycle. 24-hour time-release protection. Full-time protection you can count on. Right now, a 24-hour mag is a 24-hour deal. Now, also available new outside.
There are two main types of broadband in the UK, my friend. One uses copper wire, one uses